both on the season on the Rally Mexico also. You could ask for more.
No, I couldn't ask for more. It's really magic the start of the season. 3 victory, especially here in Mexico. We expected difficult condition, and we had an amazing weekend with great performance, full attack, no mistake, great tire choice, and at the end we pushed our rivals to make mistake, and yeah, we can be very proud of this one.
You looked to have a lot of fun this weekend. Was it like this?
Yes, it was like that. I mean, especially the start of the rally when you push very hard to try to win and to try to compensate the handicap. I had a good fun in the car, and yes, it was definitely a pleasure to drive with that speed.
Before coming here, you don't really believe you could win, but in the end, you were more solid than your rivals.
For sure, I didn't believe it was. We had to face a very difficult handicap, and it was for sure not win in advance to come here. And yeah, I like I said, we made the best of it, put big pressure on the other, and it paid at the end.
Your situation in the championship is excellent. Does it mean you have a more serene approach for Argentina?
Let's say the confidence couldn't be higher, that's for sure. After 5 victories in a row, if you take the one from last year, 3 this year, and a really good advantage now in the championship, of course I feel really good, and I'll try my best again in Mexico to be in front. But yeah, once again, we know it will be maybe difficult for us, but at the moment we just want to celebrate this one, and we're going to focus on Argentina in 1 month.
Julian, you give us a good surprise here in Mexico.
It's a surprise that we even didn't expect ourselves. I think nobody would have put $1 on us this weekend. It was a mission impossible, let's say. But in the end, we did some quite clever choice of tires on the Friday, and it paid. We had also some very, very good pace note and a very good pace globally, and we were very surprised to finally put the pressure on the other guys, and they went off one by one. Then we were able to keep the gap with Arimati until he crashed also. So there is no regret at all for this weekend. This is a perfect rally, and to score so many points with the win of the power stage here also is of course more than perfect. So now we focus on some holidays to take a breeze before Argentina, that is in 6 weeks. And there it will be another story, because we never won this rally. It's a quite tough rally. There is big ruts and big lines that are digging during the race, and we know that we have to work on it. So it will be our main target, but for the moment it will be celebrating this victory in Mexico with the team.
Vámonos a ver al rally, que ya me muero de ganas. La cucaracha ya no puede caminar, porque no tiene, porque le falta marihuana que fumar. La cucaracha